Hi, it's Bill from Philadelphia's Hobbies. I'm going to quickly assemble a airplane yard spinner from Premier Kites. This one is the Hellcat in the Warbird series. You don't need any tools, but I recommend you do have a small flathead screwdriver to help you get the rods through the wings. You'll see that in just a minute. Here is the spinner part, which is the propeller. Here's the bag of rods. Right now I'm going to take out the 2 support rods for the wings. And the 1 for the tail. And here's the main part. You want to unfold the wings, take your screwdriver and just lift up in this little hole here. It tends to stick from being packaged coming from the factory. Grab one of your longer rods. Again, the screwdriver is still helpful. Slide this rod into the wing. Out this other hole here, through the body. And there's another hole here you want to go in. This is the hardest part. There we go. Slide it all the way in and it gets hidden. And there's one more for the wing. Now that there's some space in there, you don't really need the screwdriver anymore. I have a nice stiff wing. These rods are made out of carbon fiber, so they're really durable. And then you want to do the same thing in the tail. And a lot of times you'll see the hole here to go through the fuselage is not lined up. Just play with the propeller. This assembly moves. And you'll see that hole line up with the other 2. If you look here, there's a small opening you can go in. See that? Rod out. flap down. Need to go through this hole. Back out this side. The other side up. Slide it through, and then you can cover up this rod. There we go. Now we take our spinner. Collar, the washer, push the nose back on, now it spins freely. And it takes very little wind for these to spin. I'll show you that in a moment. The only parts left is our rod and ground stake. Done. And the airplane will spin into the wind, so it doesn't matter which direction the wind is coming from. And there you have it. That's the Premier Kites airplane yard spinner. This one is the Hellcat from the Warbird series.